Today we are continuing the work on the zip and fully rebuilding it. First thing on the list, adjusting the throttle cable to the right length. Then we are mounting the steering cover panel. And after, mounting the rear brake cable. Then we remove the lag cover panel. Because I want to do a little test drive. Then I'm tightening the screws on the steering cover panel. And then I did a couple heat cycles outside. And now we're going for a little test drive. Then I came up with the idea to change the panels to red because I had them laying around. So I removed the whole front of the bike. Starting off with a little windshield. Then I removed the front wheel. After, I disconnected the kilometer cable. And I removed the front brake. Then I removed the mudguard with 3 rusty screws. Finally removing the old front panel, which is now black. Then I took out the lights of the old front panel. And I changed over all the little mounting clips. And I put the lights back. So now we can start rebuilding it. So first, mounting the front panel back with the new lights. After, I installed the mudguard with 3 new screws. And mounted the wheel back on the scooter. Then we are connecting the front brake again. tightening all the bolts down. Then quickly took off the handlebar cover panel. And I'm removing the kilometer cable because it was already broken. At the same time, my brother is exchanging the lights and all the little clips from the old rear panel to the new rear panel. And then he's back on 2 wheels again. Then we're installing the feet panel. And the leg cover panel. And finally the steering cover panel. And that's the front done. Now to the back. We're mounting the rear panel. And the body seat cover. We're screwing everything down. Putting in the battery. I placed it down to check up on the camera and I knew it was going to fall. And screwing it down. And then we are done with the scooter. He's back together. And I think it looked way better with the new red panels. And that is the project done. Thanks for watching and see you next week with a new project.